Hey, hope you're having a great day so far and welcome back. Today's March 2nd, Tuesday, and on this post I'll be telling you about the overall crypto markets, which includes Bitcoin dominance and Bitcoin price action, and see how they could potentially affect the overall altcoin markets in the short-term future, before diving into Matic Network, MATICUSD, and see what exactly has gone on in this market. I'll be telling you about the bullish and bearish case scenarios for today, as well as the short-term price prediction on this market according to what I'm seeing on the charts. Before I begin today, please do subscribe to this channel and like this video if you guys are enjoying this content, as I'll be keeping you updated on the latest crypto setups on my watch list, regardless if it's a good day or a bad day. If you guys want to support me and don't already have a Webull brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link down below. Just still giving away 2 free stocks as of today upon a successful sign up and a qualifying deposit of $100 and I will also receive a referral bonus if you guys sign up under me. Please also read my full disclaimer below. I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. I'm purely sharing my own speculations, opinions on this market. I cannot tell you the future, and you should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing in this market, as it's extremely risky and volatile. If you guys have any questions or comments, please do only leave them in the comment section below, but I'll try my best to get to as many of them as possible. Now, see what exactly is going on in this market first. Most importantly, I do take a look into Bitcoin dominance. It tells me where the money could be trending into. Would it be Bitcoin, altcoins, or neither? Today we do have Bitcoin dominance up very slightly, about 0.15%. This breaks down to Bitcoin price action down about 4%. Total altcoin market cap down over 4%. So this is the downside of Bitcoin dominance trending upwards. I will usually see total altcoin market cap being more affected by Bitcoin price action, pullbacks more specifically. Okay. Even though it's in a little bit of a slight trend today, okay? But if Bitcoin dominance actually trends up and Bitcoin price action pulls back, if Bitcoin dominance trends up more, altcoin price action could be more affected by Bitcoin pullbacks, okay? So that's that's not ideal for the total altcoin price action when Bitcoin dominance trends up, because on the upside, on the flip side of Bitcoin dominance trending upwards, I will usually see Bitcoin price action leading in gains ahead of total altcoin market cap. I usually emphasize Bitcoin dominance trending downwards, okay? Because on the upside of Bitcoin dominance trending downwards, I will usually see total altcoin market cap leading in gains ahead of Bitcoin price action, okay? So on the daily time frame for Bitcoin dominance is still my focus here, because I've been saying there has been a development of a inverse head and shoulders pattern, which is a bullish pattern. If this pattern actually plays out, the measured target of this pattern is about 68%, okay? And that would not be as ideal for the total altcoin market cap, total altcoins price action, okay? Now, I do emphasize Bitcoin dominance trending downwards. Let's see if this actually plays out unexpectedly, or would it play out as according to what the pattern suggests, okay? Let's take a look into Bitcoin price action here and see what exactly has gone on. Now, for Bitcoin price action here, I did mention that there are some conflicting signals, some bearish signals on the monthly time frame down to the 3-day time frame on the RSIs. Bearish divergence scenarios could be playing out. However, on the daily time frame here, there has been a formation of a falling wedge pattern, which is generally a bullish pattern, okay? Price action looks like it has broken above that pattern. The metric target from yesterday's breakout is about 59K, slightly over, okay? Right now it's getting resistance from this daily 21 MA right here, which is the blue line, which I do expect to be key resistance here. Now, as of yesterday, after the price action has broken out of this pattern, I did jump the gun and took more risk and loaded up on some Bitcoin before it actually got back on top of the daily 21 MA, because realizing what was happening on the falling wedge pattern here, there seems to be pretty strong support at about the 45K area, and after the price action has broken out of the pattern, it has gone back on top of some of these shorter time frame moving averages, including the 12-hour 50. Okay, that's when I loaded up on some Bitcoin, took some more risk, even ahead of getting back on top of the daily 21 MA. So I'll see how this works out. Now, the strong support here that I realize is about 45K area fib level right here. Let's see if that holds or if this price action will actually continue upwards. Okay. Now, the monthly time frame RSIs to the 3-day time frame RSIs, like I said, possible bearish divergence scenarios, I would not lose track of those, because if those actually do play out, there could be a more significant pullback. Okay. Now, if price action on Bitcoin here actually pulls back some more, this could still have an effect on the overall altcoin markets. So this is still my focus here, Bitcoin price action and Bitcoin dominance, before considering any particular smaller altcoin markets. So I'll watch out for any Bitcoin pullbacks here, just like we're seeing today, that could still have an effect on the total altcoin price action. Let's go over to Matic Network, MATICUSD, and see what exactly has gone on in here. So whenever I do take a look into a smaller market, I do take a look into the higher time frame RSIs, considering from the monthly time frame down to the daily time frame, even though I think it matters less right now, because I do think Bitcoin price action and Bitcoin dominance is the focus, okay? Especially if Bitcoin dominance has a pretty charged bullish pattern there, the inverse head and shoulders pattern, okay? But let's do it anyways. On the monthly time frame here, we do have an RSI reading of about 86. I'm looking for high overbought RSI readings or possible bearish divergence scenarios on these macro timeframes. Okay, so on here, there is a RSI reading of about 86, so quite overbought. This month candle has actually just started, about 29 more days left, so I'm not too concerned with how this candle actually ends up yet. So I'll note the high overbought RSI reading here. Let's go down to the weekly. Weekly time frame, we're at an RSI reading of about 93. Okay, pullback from about 97 there. Okay, so very overbought, and some type of pullback here. I am not. I don't think it's unreasonable here. Okay. 3-day time frame here. We were in overbought territory at about 87. Currently pulled back to about 79. This 3-day candle still has quite a bit of time, about 2 more days before it closes. So I'll monitor this as the and see if there's any possible bearish divergence here, okay, before even the weekly or the monthly. However, we are still in overbought territory there as well. Same thing as the daily time frame, slight overbought territory, pullback from the past top. However, there was bearish divergence on the daily time frame already. Comparing this high right here. Let's see, or I could be wrong here. No, actually I'm wrong. There is not bearish divergence here, because I'll be comparing this high with this high, so no possible bearish divergence playing out right now. It's just a pullback. So let's do a recap. Monthly time frame down to daily time frame. Pretty overbought RSI readings. Daily time frame not so much, but on the higher time frames there are overbought RSI readings. Possible bearish divergence here on the daily time frame. If the price action was to make a higher high here, it does need to beat the last high with an RSI reading of over 83. Okay. Now let's take a look into a smaller time frame here and see what pattern could it be developing in this chart. On the 4-hour time frame is my focus here. So I do see a possible double top pattern that could be playing out. Okay, because we do have this low right here, similar to this past low, and now we have established a neckline here at about 22 cents, slightly under. Okay, if this price action, this double top actually plays out, the measured target here is about slightly over 18 cents, which is slightly below the 12-hour, excuse me, the 4-hour 50 MA right now. Okay. Let's see what other moving averages are actually down there that could be acting as support. The 12-hour 21 MA is pretty in line with the measured target here. Okay, now let's take a look into the bullish and bearish case scenarios here. Now, this measured target, it's only a theoretical approximate target only. May actually be different in real life price action, more or less. Okay. Let's take a look into the bullish and bearish case scenarios. Bullish case scenario, if this price action actually negates this breakdown of this double top pattern and invalidates this double top pattern. In order to invalidate this double top pattern, in my opinion, I would need to see a higher high than the previous high here. So I'm looking for a higher high of about 26 cents. That would be higher than the last high of 25 cents there. Okay, that will be a safer signal for me that this double top pattern has been invalidated and higher highs are continuing for this price action. Okay, so safer signal for me, a 4-hour candle close at about the 26 cents area. That will invalidate this double top pattern for me and would tell me that higher price action would be likely to continue with the higher high at about 26 cents, 4-hour candle close. Bearish case scenario. If we start getting 4-hour candle closes below this neckline right here at about 22 cents, the next level of support I'll be looking at will be about the 20 cents fib level area. If that support does not hold, the next level of key support I'll be looking at will be the 12-hour 21 MA, which is pretty in line with the measure target there, and see if that will hold the price action up. Okay. Now, these are my bullish and bearish case scenarios for today. Let me know if you found it helpful. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Let me know agreements, disagreements, feedback. I would love to hear them. Hope you manage your risk carefully, and if you would like to see any more of my most recently uploaded videos on YouTube, you guys can check out my links up here on YouTube. See you next time.